Welcome to UMA. Let me introduce you to your weekly assessments. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the assessments that you'll complete each week. So, what exactly are these weekly assessments? In addition to discussions, interactives, and assignments, assessments are used to gauge your understanding of the week's content. You can think of these assessments as weekly tests that cover the information and material you've learned throughout the week. Where do I find the assessment each week? Well, let's dive back into the course room and take a look. We'll start here at week 1. After you complete each of the other activities and assignments for the week, you'll scroll to the bottom of the course page to find the assessment. In this case, the week 1 assessment. When you see this assessment label underneath the title, it means that you'll be using the test tool to complete the work. To access the assessment, click on the title. Read through the directions and make sure to take note of the time allowed and the attempts allowed before you begin. Weekly assessments must be completed within 60 minutes. Additionally, you'll have 2 attempts to earn a passing score. After you read the instructions, click the blue Start Assessment button. Once you start the assessment, you'll see 20 randomized multiple-choice questions to complete. Remember to read each question carefully before you respond. When you finish, click the Submit Assessment button at the bottom. As a best practice, it's recommended that you set aside enough time to complete your weekly assessments without distraction. Your allotted 60 minutes begin as soon as you click the Start Assessment button. What do I do if I need help accessing my assessment? Although you cannot receive help when completing a weekly assessment, there are basic troubleshooting resources available. You can access assessment help by clicking on the Student Help link in the navbar. Here, you'll find the Student Help section, which includes an Assessment Help folder. Click on the folder to find additional text and video resources that can help you complete the weekly assessments. Need additional help preparing for an assessment? Contact Academic Services at 888-215-8215 to speak with an instructor that can help you review concepts and course material. You're now ready to take your weekly assessment. Remember to complete all readings, interactives, and assignments for the week, study the information and material, and prepare with your notes before you begin the assessment. Good luck!